Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Eskiin Filtered Showerhead, which has been gaining attention on social media for its water filtration claims. This showerhead promises to remove chlorine, heavy metals, and other impurities from your shower water using a multi-stage filtration system. The device features a sleek design with multiple spray settings and incorporates vitamin C and ceramic balls in its filtration process. Installation appears straightforward, requiring no special tools or plumber visits. The company claims users will notice softer skin, healthier hair, and reduced dryness after switching from regular shower heads. Price-wise, the Eskiin typically retails between $80 to $120, positioning it in the premium showerhead category. The filters need replacement every 6 to 12 months depending on water quality and usage, adding to the ongoing cost. User feedback shows mixed results. Some customers report noticeable improvements in skin texture and hair quality, while others see minimal changes. Water quality varies significantly by location, which likely impacts individual experiences with filtered shower heads. Independent lab testing on the specific filtration claims isn't widely available, making it difficult to verify all marketing statements. However, removing chlorine from shower water does have documented benefits for skin and hair health. The 30-day money-back guarantee provides some protection for unsatisfied customers. Overall, results seem to depend heavily on your local water quality and individual sensitivity to water impurities. Have you tried filtered shower heads? Share your experience below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.